the easiest way to make a henna practice sheet. You can easily make it at home for just 30 to 40 rupees. For that, you need to get this kind of file, which is easily available at every shop. I think you can easily get this 4A paper from the printing shop. You need to take a blank white printing paper and insert it like this, and then you can practice your mehndi on it. You can make anything and wash it and clean it with any handkerchief or tissue. It is easily reusable, and besides that, you can hand draw on it and practice. You can easily decide how to draw your design in a sequence. Apart from that, you also get a button type file like this. You should practice on the blank side of it. Insert a paper inside the preferably white. Red or blue is your choice, but things appear clearer and better on white, so insert the paper inside and practice on it. This file is also similar. It is reusable. You can wash it and clean it with any tissue. You can easily get it from any shop for 40 to 50 rupees or 30 rupees.